I was injured 10 years ago in a horseback riding accident. At the time of the injury, 3 of my rib heads tore through the muscle and all of the soft tissue in my back. Due to the severity of my injuries, I was not able to stand up for long periods of time. Walking was difficult. I spent approximately 6 months on bed rest. I was competing and training young competition sport horses, and the constant pain that I had every day made it very difficult to continue training. I went to see a variety of different doctors, including surgeons, different medical doctors. After 10 years of chronic pain, surgery didn't seem like a really efficient and effective solution for my injury. I had lost a lot of faith in the ability to live a life without pain. I really needed to find somebody that I felt I could trust.
When Alyssa came to see me, she'd already been seen by another regenerative provider and didn't have the greatest response. The muscle itself was treated, however the input to the muscle, the nerves, were not. When I looked through her thoracic MRI, I saw there were 2 segments of disc bulge. The nerves come into the muscle and give the signal or the energy into the muscle that provides for the contraction and for the healing. So we treated the disc herniations as well as the nerve input, as well as the muscle injury itself and the tears, all with platelets derived from her own blood, and she was able to get to another level of healing with the comprehensive approach that we took.
I first noticed Dr. Bashir's attention to detail when he requested clear imaging. A really big difference between Dr. Bashir and other doctors was that Dr. Bashir showed me on the images where my damage was, where my injury was, and what it looked like, whereas other doctors merely told me about my injury. Prior to my first treatment with Dr. Bashir, he was really proactive in explaining to me what my process would be like and what my day was going to entail. After these 2 procedures, I started to have the ability to gain strength again, and now I feel as though I can stand for significant periods of time, I can walk, and I'm finally back in the gym. Other doctors told me that I was never going to be able to ride horses again, and after a lifetime of riding and training and showing horses, these words really hurt to hear. After my procedures with Dr. Bashir, I have some restored hope that someday I will get back to riding. In addition to physical therapy, I also began seeing Randy every week for manual orthopedic therapy to aid in my healing process. Randy uses a variety of different deep tissue techniques to restore functionality and mobility. The idea of regenerative medicine, instead of just pain management, it's the idea of actually healing the injury and the scar tissue that you have. And if you're suffering like I was with chronic, everyday pain, it's really great to know that there is a treatment to help you feel differently and experience your life the way that you want to.